on the buggy, so they are in my room free flying. These two can't come out because they have eggs and babies. My head one's out free flying. See, I think her leg is deformed, but they can fly good. Want to see her fly? Come on. Come on. Okay, ready? She's going to take off. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Good girl. There you go. Back onto the thing. Where did she go? I think she went down. Oh. Yeah, look, she went in there. Look at her now. Come on. Okay. So, ow! Don't bite me. She's a female. And where's she going? Oh. Let me try to put her back on her little finger. Those three can't fly as good. It's still like when a baby, the wings, they have developed. So put it back. No, over here, okay. Oh, well. We lost them. Oh. Remember to tell our two babies and the mother. She laid more eggs with the babies in the box. That's the dad. So there's our tongue. Better. Oh, yes. Our candy trim had babies. I don't see any babies yet. I saw them yesterday. They were so tiny. I don't see them. They must go to hide. But they were so tiny. Isn't that cool that they had babies? There are birds talking around. Now let's look for that one. Oh, there she is. Ow! Don't worry, Jack is just saying hi to me. And there she goes back to her friend, Rossi. She can't really land properly. There were the others, 3. It's landing around. Do it nothing. Look at our little one here. Try to pick it up by your friend, Slee. And there she's off again. She's off again. And landed.